Aries, 8th November 2024. Love, a playful and romantic energy surrounds you today. Surprise your partner with a small gift or a spontaneous outing. The effort will strengthen your connection and bring light-hearted joy. For singles, today is ideal for meeting new people through group settings. Don't hesitate to join social events or group activities. You may find someone who piques your interest. Career, your creative energy is at a peak, Aries, so use it to bring fresh ideas to the table. Whether it's a new approach to an old problem or brainstorming for a project, let your imagination flow. Sharing these ideas with others could lead to exciting opportunities for collaboration and advancement. Overall well-being, physical energy is high, so embrace it with an energizing workout, a dance class, or an outdoor adventure. Releasing this energy will keep you focused and in good spirits. Advice: take the lead in both love and work today. Your creativity and initiative can create memorable experiences and impressive breakthroughs. Taurus, 8th November 2024. Love, romance is in the air. For those in a relationship, surprise your partner with a heartfelt gesture to show your appreciation. If single, be open to new encounters. Someone who shares your interests could catch your eye. It's a day where connections come naturally, so enjoy the positive energy around you. Career, today may bring a new opportunity or responsibility your way. Don't shy away from taking it on, as this could lead to growth and recognition. Approach tasks with enthusiasm and a willingness to learn, as your efforts are likely to be noticed. Overall well-being, high energy levels make this a great day for physical activities, so try to incorporate movement that brings you joy, whether it's a workout, dancing, or a walk. Advice: embrace new experiences and responsibilities with an open heart. The positive energy you exude will attract success and meaningful connections. Gemini, 8th November 2024. Love, a burst of social energy makes you the center of attention. Partnered Geminis can enjoy a night out with their loved one or organize a gathering with friends. Single Geminis may attract new connections, as your charisma is especially magnetic today. Career, today's energy supports networking and collaboration. You may find valuable insights through conversations with colleagues or clients, so don't hesitate to engage with others. Building connections will bring new opportunities in the near future. Overall well-being, social interactions are uplifting for you today, so seek out those who bring positive energy. Surrounding yourself with laughter and good company will boost your mood. Advice: enjoy the social energy and embrace new connections. Networking and sharing ideas will lead to positive experiences in both love and career. Cancer, 8th November 2024. Love, romance feels especially meaningful today, and you are likely to crave a deeper emotional connection. If you are single, don't shy away from putting yourself out there in a sincere way. Partnered Cancers will benefit from expressing affection openly. Career, you may receive positive recognition for your hard work. Take pride in your accomplishments, but remain humble and open to learning. Success today could open doors for future opportunities. Overall well-being, engaging in activities that bring joy will lift your spirits. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and create a positive, loving environment. Advice: enjoy the warm, uplifting energy of the day. Acknowledging your achievements and sharing moments of joy with loved ones will boost your confidence. Leo, 8 November 2024. Love, passion and excitement are in the air, making this a memorable day for romance. Plan a fun outing or surprise for your partner, or if single, let your adventurous side lead you to new experiences. People are drawn to your vibrant energy today. Career, a boost of enthusiasm may drive you to tackle projects with renewed vigor. Your ability to motivate others could put you in the spotlight, so don't hesitate to take charge. Overall well-being, harness this vibrant energy to engage in physical activity or a thrilling hobby. This will leave you feeling invigorated and confident. Advice: embrace boldness and adventure in all areas of your life. Your vibrant spirit will attract positive attention and create memorable moments. Virgo, 8 November 2024. Love, romantic energy is high, so take advantage of this time to show appreciation for your loved one. Small gestures can make a big impact today. Single Virgos may feel drawn to someone who shares their values and interests. Career, your practical skills are in the spotlight. Take on responsibilities confidently, as your steady approach will inspire trust among colleagues. Overall well-being, you may feel more social than usual, so consider spending time with friends or family to lift your spirits. Advice: take the lead in both personal and professional matters. Show appreciation for others, and they'll reciprocate in meaningful ways. Libra, 8 November 2024. Love, emotional closeness comes easily today. Whether you are in a relationship or single, opening up about your aspirations and dreams will create deep connections. Career, your intuition will be sharp. Use it to make insightful decisions and assess situations accurately, especially if you are working on a project that requires keen judgment. Overall well-being, a focus on emotional health will serve you well. Journaling or a heart-to-heart conversation with someone close can provide much-needed clarity. Advice: embrace openness and intuition today. Trust your gut feelings, they'll guide you in love and work. Scorpio, 8 November 2024. Love, trust and loyalty are important themes today. If you are in a relationship, reaffirm your commitment and build trust with your partner. For single Scorpios, taking time to evaluate what you truly want in a relationship will guide you toward meaningful connections. Career, your determination shines. Tackle any obstacles with confidence and be persistent. Success is within reach as long as you remain focused. Overall well-being, find an outlet for pent-up energy, such as a workout or physical activity. Exercise will refresh your mind and body. Advice: embrace your inner strength and determination. Your ability to persevere will bring positive outcomes. Sagittarius, 8 November 2024. Love, a sense of adventure beckons. Plan a getaway or a day trip with your partner to explore new places together. For singles, be open to meeting someone while traveling or engaging in activities that push your boundaries. Career, your enthusiasm is infectious, inspiring those around you. Use this to your advantage to rally your team and tackle challenges with a positive attitude. Collaboration will yield great results. Overall well-being, channel your abundant energy into physical activities. Whether it's hiking or a group class, staying active will keep you in a good headspace. Advice: embrace your adventurous spirit. Today is ideal for stepping outside your routine and discovering something new. Capricorn, 8 November 2024. Love: a bit of spontaneity can revitalize your relationship today. Consider planning an unexpected outing or trying a new activity together. For singles, being open to new experiences may lead to exciting romantic possibilities. Career: you may find yourself facing some unexpected challenges at work. Trust your problem-solving skills to navigate these situations. Stay flexible and adaptable, and don't hesitate to seek assistance when needed. Overall well-being, find time to unwind. A creative outlet like art or music can be therapeutic and allow you to express your emotions constructively. Advice: embrace change and adapt as necessary. Your ability to remain resilient will carry you through any difficulties. Aquarius, 8 November 2024. Love: your romantic side shines today. You might find joy in small gestures that deepen your connection with your partner. Singles should focus on being their authentic selves. This will attract the right people into their lives. Career: you may face some hurdles today, but your innovative problem-solving skills will help you navigate them. Trust your ability to adapt and find creative solutions. Overall well-being, consider spending time in nature today. The fresh air can provide clarity and rejuvenate your spirit. Advice: approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset. Your ability to think creatively will serve you well. Pisces, 8 November 2024. Love: the day is ripe for romance. Plan a surprise date or a cozy evening with your partner. Your emotional connection is strong today, allowing for vulnerability and deeper intimacy. If you are single, allow your playful side to shine. It may attract someone who appreciates your uniqueness. Career: you may feel a sense of accomplishment as projects start to pay off. Celebrate your achievements with your team and acknowledge their contributions. Your collaborative spirit will foster a positive work environment. Overall well-being, focus on activities that inspire you, whether it's art, music, or writing. Engaging in these pursuits will help you feel fulfilled and uplifted. Advice: don't hesitate to express your creative ideas. Sharing your passion with others can lead to unexpected opportunities.